Gospel Lukas lenong khat lai da khat chipro du khat nhiều. Lapun kot dia ka kentai ha ka sabat.
On a Sabbath, Jesus was teaching in one of the synagogues. And a woman was there who had been crippled by a spirit for 18 years. She was bent over and could not straighten up at all. When Jesus saw her, he called her forward and said to her, "Woman, you are set free from your infirmity." Then he put his hands on her, and immediately she straightened up. And praised God. Indignant because Jesus had healed on the Sabbath, the synagogue leader said to the people, "There are 6 days for work, so come and be healed on those days, not on the Sabbath." The Lord answered him, "You hypocrites! Doesn't each of you on the Sabbath untie your ox or donkey from the stall and lead it out to give it water? Then should not this woman, a daughter of Abraham, whom Satan has kept bound for 18 long years, be set free on the Sabbath day from what bound her?" When he said this, all his opponents were humiliated. But the people were delighted with all the wonderful things he was doing.
Puson ya kanu ka bata ne da khot ne kan tiet ka balakta ya kam sem jong pi na ka ne ka gospel pura biang ka nong khat lai da khot chipro do khat nhiều. Ha ka wei ka si sabat u jisu ulahi kai ha ka sinagog. La don hang ta ka wei ka kan thei ka bala nong soi ba pan pang khrau tin khat prasnem. Kalak kedor yang kedung bat kam la yang baik satya apa utisu lai iya ka ula khot iya ka patula om kong pila lai na ka chingpang ula pu ila kikti halo jongka kala baik tisen don bat kala yaro ya oblay urang ba sinako ula bitar nambat ba utisu ula penkot ha ka sabat kumta ula kren dom hau pai ba Danan rewski bantre bang kata yawan wat jengkoi hakitu kiski haka sabat utrai ula jebab yu arsap udon api ubom pelait masine kadana sembat ubom yalam di haka sabat kane hang ni kakuan kaksiu Abraham ya kablate da usoi tanjin kat prasnem hato md ban pelait ya kana ke jengkom haka sabat kajupap jong ujisu kelapan lek ranya ki upai bapat ulas kau kemen ni kakam pela ba ulalem kakubor babha utrai